If you're looking to use gold and silver to build unstoppable wealth in retirement, you've come to the right place. As a retiree, you want to ensure that your hard-earned wealth is protected, growing, and shielded from market volatility. Gold and silver have stood the test of time as safe haven assets, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to leverage them for your financial future. Now, if you're serious about protecting your wealth, click the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide and learn why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to protect their savings. You'll find out how this could be the key to securing your retirement in the next 2 weeks. Trust me, you'll want to check it out. Let's dive into how gold and silver can be game changers for your retirement. First off, let's talk about what makes them so valuable in uncertain times. Gold and silver are tangible assets. Unlike stocks or bonds, which can lose value in a market crash, gold and silver typically increase in value when there's instability. This makes them the perfect way to hedge against inflation, protect your savings, and ensure your wealth grows while the rest of the economy stumbles. Now, I know what you're thinking. There are other ways to diversify your retirement portfolio. You might have considered stocks, real estate, or even cryptocurrency. But the reality is, these assets are much more volatile and can expose you to unnecessary risk, especially as you near retirement. Real estate can be a good option, but it's not as liquid or easily accessible as gold or silver. And crypto, well, we all know how unpredictable that market can be. Gold IRAs, on the other hand, allow you to take advantage of the security and growth potential of precious metals without the volatility of these other investments. Let's talk about how to use gold and silver to build unstoppable wealth. A gold IRA allows you to store your gold and silver in a tax-advantaged retirement account. This means you don't have to worry about taxes on gains until you start withdrawing in retirement, which could save you a significant amount in the long run. It's a great way to build wealth without giving up your hard-earned money to taxes along the way. Plus, with the growing instability in the financial markets, there's never been a better time to consider a gold IRA. A solid gold IRA strategy can offer a way to maintain wealth even in the face of market crashes, political turmoil, or economic uncertainty. And with gold and silver often outpacing inflation, your wealth could continue to grow even when other investments falter. But how do you get started? It's easier than you think. First, you'll need to find a reliable gold IRA custodian, a company that specializes in setting up and managing gold IRAs. They'll help you roll over funds from your existing IRA or 401k into your new gold IRA. From there, you'll select the precious metals you want to invest in, whether it's gold, silver, or a mix of both, and watch your wealth grow over time. Again, if you're serious about protecting your wealth, make sure to click the first link in the description. It'll take you to a free guide that shows you why so many American retirees are opening gold IRAs right now. This could be your best chance to protect your wealth before it's too late. As a retiree with $100K or more in your IRA, 401k, or even 5 mil plus in savings, a gold IRA is an excellent way to preserve and grow your wealth. Don't let uncertainty erode your retirement savings. Act now and take control of your financial future with gold and silver. Click the link in the description to learn more, and let's secure your financial future together.